Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And in a little document that they posted online, Microsoft is actually asking everybody to actually go passwordless. And the way to do this is, of course, use passkeys as we talk them. Passkeys are keys that are generated and saved on your computer, and that actually are verified by logging to your local account. And of course, passkeys mean that you don't have to use passwords anymore to logging into an account. And the reason it's safer than a password is that it's stored on your trusted devices, which means the passkey, not only is it a form of password if you want, but it's also linked to the machine that you're using, the device that you're using. So people, are saying, well, passkeys are no good if they get stolen. If they get stolen, they're worthless because they're not on the machine that they're supposed to work on. They are, in fact, much more secure than, everyday passwords. They're also much more, are much easier to use, if you have especially biometrics on your PC or something, or even in my case, I use a PIN, which unlocks my PC. Well, just a PIN. I don't have to remember a gazillion passwords because every site has its own passkeys and are linked to my PC, and all I have to remember is the PIN that I use to unlock my computer. So I'll share the link here if you want to explore the possibility of signing in with a passkey with your own devices. Well, they have all the information here. Warning, those that are allergic to Microsoft accounts will not do this because you need to log into a Microsoft account for this to work. But this works for Windows 10 and 11, by the way, and they are going to tell you how to do all of this and log in with go passwordless, basically. So it's very useful. I like the idea, and I like the fact that it makes it easier to log into all of my devices. Once again, what makes it more secure is that the passkey is saved on your PC and only works on your PC or the devices that you will actually give it permissions. So if nobody, if they steal the passkeys, they're worthless. And the only way to do so is they would have to have access to your PC. And then again, you would have had to give them some way to log in, so your PIN number or things like that. So this is very secure, and I kind of find it really, really useful. What's nice is, of course, with the Microsoft account, it synchronizes across your Windows PCs also, which makes it easier. So the link to this little article on how to go passwordless in your Microsoft account is in the description below. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.